Right, so the next job that we've got to do, we've got the base seat cover and we've got the back part of the seat cover. So what we're going to have to do is unpick a lot of it and break it down into its own little pieces, and from that we will make some templates. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, so we'll start doing that, shall we? So there we have it. We've separated the back section of the seat. It's all been unpicked, and they are all the component parts that I think is going to do the job. Yeah, it's about 3 hours of my life that I won't get back, but you know, these things have to be done. So we've got some upholstery there. I'm going to run off down to another shop just now and see if I can get some black faux leather. I think they do it in the range, I'm not too sure, but I'll go up to the shop there, see if they've got it. If they have, happy days, then we can crack straight on with it. But there we go. I'll be separating the seat base section probably a little later on, but we'll go up to the shop, see if we can get some black faux leather, and we can make a start on this probably, hopefully tomorrow. Right, well, we went up to the range and lo and behold, they had reams of black faux leather. Fabulous. So done that last night. So when I got back, as you can see, I've marked it all out with all the relevant pieces that I'm going to be needing from all the bits that we separated yesterday. So next job will be the cutting out and stitching together. Right, here we are in the kitchen. What we've got is the pieces that I've now made for the back section of the chair. So that'll be the front of the chair itself. Two little side panels there, that'll be going around the chair. What we then have will be a little skirt goes in the front, that goes back onto the frame of the chair itself. Then we obviously have to have the full back section, and then we've got what I describe as like a shoulder section, which will join the front to the back. Now then, I'm going to be stitching all that together, which is going to be fun because I've never used a sewing machine before. So here's the first. We'll crack on with that and see where it takes us. Okay? Right, once again, there we go, finished, and it looks bloody good. I'm really pleased with that. Really am pleased with that. So all that remains is getting it on the seat frame. But yeah, that's turned out even better than I thought. Little white lie, never used the sewing machine before. I've got to be honest with you, I did have about half an hour's practice before I attempted putting all this together on some scrap bits that I had in the workshop. But yeah, pretty pleased with that. That's turned out really well. So we'll get it on the car, and or rather, we'll get it on the chair frame, and we'll see how it looks. And there it is on the chair frame. I've got to be honest, it looks absolutely outstanding. Pretty pleased with that. Oh, bad light. Honest to God, I am really, honestly, genuinely chuffed to bits with that. That is fab. That is really fab. Right, all we need to do now is the chair bases. So we'll be getting on with them. Right, there we have the 2 completed seat base covers. Just like the backs that we done. Took a template, made all the pieces, stitched them all together, and that is the end result. But down at the bottom we've got the seat base itself. I'm going to go out and get the foam in a sec, and we'll be putting it all together. As you can see, it's got a diaphragm there. Bought that second hand from eBay. I think it cost me about 17 quid. A lot better than the webbing. But yeah, we'll put it all together, put the foam on, get the covers on, and see what the end result's like. Okay, so see you in a bit. Right, here we go. We have the base all put together. All the clips in place, all the new diaphragm. Yeah, it looks really, really good. I'm so pleased with it. Okay, so we've got that. Now we've got the back to go on. And I've really got to tell you, I think it looks absolutely fabulous. Really does look really, really good. Now then, I know this is going to be a pain in the backside, so I'm going to go and put you on time lapse, because this may take a little bit longer than I anticipate. All right, so bear with us, and we'll see how it all turns out, shall we? Okay, see you all in a bit. And there we have chair number 1 almost completed. I say almost because I've got to do the headrest yet, but that's for a later time. But oh wow, I think that looks really good. You know what? I mean, it's the first time that I've ever even attempted anything like that. And for the first time, I don't think that's too bad. All right, it's a little bit wrinkly, maybe a little bit baggy in places, but you know what? I think it's going to look cool once it's all finished and done. I really do think he's going to look the business. So, I'll do a quick update when the other one's done, and I'll probably end the video there. But look, as always, thanks for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll just see how we plod along in the next one. All right. Cheers for now. Have a good one. Take it easy. Look after yourselves, and yeah, see you all again soon.